In this video, we're going to show you how to install wiper blades on your Nissan Quest located at the base of your windshield. At the base of the windshield, you're going to locate your wiper arms and your wiper blades attached to those. You're going to lift up on the arm and fold the arm out. On the bottom side here, there's going to be a little spring clip. You're going to pinch that inward and push the wiper blade down. Continue to work that off and slide the hook out. Do not let this arm snap down on the windshield. It will break the windshield, so make sure it is in the locked upright position. Take the new wiper blade and you want to position it so that it has the curved part on the top and the release button on the bottom. Simply take the unit and you're going to slip the hook in through the top and pull upward. You're going to feel in here it lock into place. Now you want to go ahead and take the white protective sleeve, slide that up and off, take the wiper blade and arm and slowly lower it down, setting it at the base. When we have the passenger side arm up, we're going to repeat here. Push it on the spring tab, push the wiper blade down and pull that off. Take the new arm with the curved portion up, feed it in and pull it upward. You can feel in here it lock in. Once you have that locked into place, you want to remove the tabs on the top and bottom of the wiper blade and lower the arm down to the windshield.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.